In this video, Daisen AI Studio brings you the design style of Kengo Kuma. Kengo Kuma, as a leading figure in contemporary Japanese architecture, has a design philosophy centered on the concept of negative or weak architecture. This approach emphasizes that buildings should blend harmoniously with the natural environment rather than imposing themselves upon it. In interior design, the Kengo Kuma style pursues the idea of a building that disappears, where the structure seems to merge with its surroundings, an idea that is vividly reflected in his works. The Kengo Kuma style favors the use of natural and rustic materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo. These materials not only offer unique textures and a warm feel but also change over time, adding vitality to the space. Additionally, the Kengo Kuma style skillfully incorporates modern materials like glass and metal, creating a distinctive visual effect that complements the natural elements. In terms of spatial layout, the Kengo Kuma style focuses on fluidity and continuity. Open layouts and flexible partitions break down traditional spatial boundaries, making spaces more open and transparent. The Kengo Kuma style is adept at using the structure and topography of a building to create spaces with a sense of depth and dynamism. It also values the multifunctionality and flexibility of spaces, meeting various needs through movable furniture and changeable layouts. Regarding the use of light and shadow, the Kengo Kuma style has a unique perspective. It skillfully utilizes natural light, guiding it into interiors through architectural openings and translucent materials to create a rich interplay of light and shadow. The Kengo Kuma style also pays attention to the design of artificial lighting, using soft light and multilayered illumination to create a warm and comfortable atmosphere. In the Kengo Kuma style, light is not just a tool for illumination but also an essential element in shaping space and expressing emotion. The works of the Kengo Kuma style, with their unique design philosophy, exquisite craftsmanship, and profound humanistic care, provide a lifestyle that coexists harmoniously with nature. The Kengo Kuma style is not just about shaping space but also about a deep understanding and respect for nature, life, and people. Through the Kengo Kuma style, we can experience the perfect integration of architecture with nature, tradition with modernity, and art with life. In the treatment of details, the Kengo Kuma style also shows an ultimate pursuit of craftsmanship. It often collaborates with local artisans, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern design to bring a unique artistic atmosphere to interior spaces. Whether it's the design of furniture, the selection of decorations, or the decoration of walls and floors, the Kengo Kuma style reflects careful consideration of details. Furthermore, the Kengo Kuma style emphasizes the interaction between architecture and the environment in interior design. It often views architecture as part of the natural environment, guiding people to communicate with nature and appreciate its beauty through design. In the Kengo Kuma style, architecture is not just a space for shelter but also a medium for dialogue between humans and nature. The works of the Kengo Kuma style are found worldwide, from commercial spaces and residences to hotels and public facilities. The Kengo Kuma style always blends with the local culture and environment, showcasing unique regional characteristics. The philosophy and practice of the Kengo Kuma style offer valuable insights and inspiration for contemporary architecture and interior design. Through the Kengo Kuma style, we can see that architecture is not just the construction of physical space but also a manifestation of culture, philosophy, and lifestyle. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.